Charitable trust versus private foundation. Have you ever wondered how to support your favorite charities while managing your estate? Today, we will compare charitable trusts and private foundations to popular options for charitable giving. Both have unique features and benefits that can help you achieve your philanthropic goals while planning your estate. First, let's break down what a charitable trust is. A charitable trust is a legal agreement where the grantor, or the person creating the trust, designates a trustee to manage the assets for the benefit of charitable organizations. One of the main advantages of a charitable trust is that it does not require registration with the government. This means you can maintain a level of privacy regarding your charitable intentions. Additionally, the grantor can retain some control over the assets or even benefit from them during their lifetime. On the other hand, a private foundation is a separate legal entity, often set up as a nonprofit corporation. It is typically funded by a single source, such as an individual or family. Unlike charitable trusts, private foundations must be registered with the government and are managed by a board of directors. This board can include family members or other related parties. Private foundations are designed to support public charities by awarding grants, making them a more structured approach to charitable giving. Now, let's look at the key differences between these two options. Charitable trusts are agreements and do not require registration, while private foundations are formal entities that must be registered. In a charitable trust, the trustee manages the assets for the beneficiaries, while private foundations own their assets outright and are controlled by a board. Privacy is another important factor. Charitable trusts offer more privacy since they do not require public filing, whereas private foundations must submit detailed financial reports each year. Both options provide tax benefits, but private foundations may offer additional advantages due to their nonprofit status. However, they are also subject to an excise tax on net investment income. When it comes to estate planning, the choice between a charitable trust and a private foundation depends on your personal goals. If you prefer privacy and flexibility in managing charitable donations, a charitable trust might be the better option. Conversely, if you want a more structured approach with potential long-term tax benefits, a private foundation could be the way to go. In the context of the probate process, both charitable trusts and private foundations can help avoid probate since they are typically not part of the probate estate. This means that assets transferred into these entities can bypass the probate process, allowing for a smoother transfer of wealth to charitable causes or beneficiaries. In summary, while both charitable trusts and private foundations support charitable giving, they differ in structure, privacy, and management. Understanding these differences is essential for effective estate planning.